Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Wasimullah and welcome to my channel. That's Wasimullah Graphics and Architectural Designer. Today I'm going to model in 3dsmax a football or how to design it. Before showing or telling you how to model it or how to design it, do subscribe my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon to get latest videos notification. Now, without wasting any time, let's jump into 3dsmax. Take a geosphere in perspective view. Now to make it smooth, go to the modify level here. Now this is modifier, you can see it is name it is modify. Go to this modify level and set as it comes the parameters of the object. Now increase its segments. Now make it apply turbo smooth modifier. turbo smooth modifier को apply करेंगे. Now I will decrease its segments. This much is enough. On this turbo smooth. Four is enough. Now I have applied turbo smooth. Now convert it to make it. Now apply edit modifier. Edit poly modifier. Select the vertices, the middle vertices, as I want to create the football. I will remove these vertices by selecting these middle vertices, vertex or the points, you can say it. I'm holding control key while selecting multiple vertices. I'm holding control key. Hold the control key. While selecting the vertices, I am holding control key. मैं कंट्रोल की को होल्ड कर रहा हूँ. डबल सेलेक्ट वर्टिस को. होल्ड किया है मैंने कंट्रोल की को और सेलेक्ट कर रहा हूँ वर्टिसेस को, पॉइंट्स को. In 3dsmax we call as vertices, while as in Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator we call as points or anchor point, you can say it. Suppose when the vertices are unselected, if sometime you are while doing fastly while doing fast work, when you unselect the vertices, there are unselect vertices, press Control Z, that will come back to the previous option or the command which you have applied it. It means undo. As I will remove, I'm selecting these vertices, the middle vertices. I will remove these vertices. Now I'm selecting the down vertices by holding the shift select and move tool, clicking on this option button, select and move tool, and then holding control key by selecting the vertex. If you didn't select this select and move tool, it will not select.